Today we are how to create emotional color grading using color lookup. Begin by opening your image and deciding the mood you want to communicate, because emotional grading always starts with intention. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and browse LUT presets while imagining the feeling you want, such as warmth, nostalgia, drama, or calm. Select a LUT that matches that emotional tone. Immediately reduce opacity so the effect blends smoothly with the photo. Emotional grading should feel atmospheric, not artificial. Next, duplicate the LUT and change its blending mode to soft light to enhance depth and mood. Toggle it on and off to see how it strengthens visual